We'll start. Ooh. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्धाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। So we completed up to Padmesitam Padmavarnam Tamihopah Payeshriyam, right? I sent the audio. I don't know if you have did you all get a chance to listen to it? Okay. Who wants to start? Sunita ji, start.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां
हिरण्मयी
लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम् अश्वपूर्वान् रथमद्यां हस्तिनादप्रबोधिनीम् श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीर्जुषताम् कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामार्द्रान् ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामार्द्रान् ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णान् तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्।
पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये ये श्रियम्
पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्.
Ashish, want to try?
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह तां म आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम् अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनादप्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीर्जुषताम् कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामार्द्रां तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्.
This is FTR.
Huh?
Is it FTR? You know what is FTR?
No.
First time, right?
Oh. Thanks. Thanks.
Do all of you want to do it, or okay, we can do it. Hindi what, right?
Yeah, if you have. Okay. Om हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो
Is it your audio or
महावः.
I don't know if it is audio. There was a little bit of a break. Suvarna Rajatasrajam, and then Chandram Hiranmayim, it went fast.
Yeah, I think it is probably the audio.
Okay.
Let us try. But in case you still have an issue, I will try to log in from the phone.
Yeah, right.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmaye Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha Ta Ma'avaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagaminim Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Kamasvam Purushanaham Ashvapurvam Radhamajjam Astinadaprabodhinim Sriyan Devi Mupahvaye Srirma Devi Jushatam Kamsosmitam Hiranya Prakara Mardran Jvalantin Truptan Tarpayantim Padme Stitam Padmavarnan Tamivihopa Sriyam.
Yeah, some places it went fast, but that's okay.
Okay. Do you want me to join from phone as well? Maybe that could help.
I thought that was your style, maybe.
No, not actually.
You said Ashwa Purvam Rathamadhyam slow Chiyan Devi Mupaf. You know, so we have to always follow the lead chanter, right? So whatever the style of
I'll join from
the group
phone as well.
In the group, we should follow.
I'll join from phone as well. Just can.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Right. Krishna, right.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayi Lakshmi Jatavedo Ma'avaha ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनी यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं ग्रामश्वन् पुरुषानहम् अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनादप्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीर्जुषताम् कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामार्द्रां ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां
पद्मवर्णानां नाशुक्
पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्
yeah Shanti ji try
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां
Chandram Hiranmayin Lakshmim
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह आवह जातवेदो म आवह तां म आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमणपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामस्वं पुरुषानहम् अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यान् हस्तिनाद प्रबोधिनीं
Purvam only Purvam sorry
पूर्वां okay अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनाद प्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीर्जुषताम् कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामार्द्रां ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्.
These swaras were okay, but you are still trying to
hold the letters.
embrace too much. Lakshmi means we are chanting Lakshmi. Sri Sukta means one of the meaning of Lakshmi. These are dhatus, right? All Sanskrit words come from dhatus. So Lakshmi, one of the dhatu is labha. Labha means gain. Everybody wants to gain wealth, good values, of course, peace. One of the other meaning is to embrace. Laga, right? For India also we say lagna. You're trying to hold too much of it. Leave it a little, let it go smoothly. So yeah. Laga, labha, Lakshmi has several dhatus, meanings. Okay. Shiva, right.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो म आवह ताम् आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्.
I will ask others to point out if any corrections. Okay, so continue.
अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनादप्रभृदिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवी जुषतां कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारां माद्रां ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्.
So, what are the corrections?
So many. So many corrections.
Ashish will tell. Where?
Couple that I found were for Kam Sosmitam and Padme Stitam. It's all Anudatta. So Kam Sosmitam, Padme Stitam. So like you don't come back up to regular until that last syllable. So that was one thing.
Okay.
Even Chandram also, like it is Chandram, it is not Chandram. So Dram, like Anudatta is getting extended even for Dram also when you have the, I think any first letter is getting extended even to the second one as well.
Yeah. Same thing. You practice. Keep listening, and then practice.
Sure, yeah, there is good improvement for sure, but you still have to take that little bit of care about where there is a dirgham, just only 2 matras instead of 3. So I think that is kind of showing out.
Yeah. Yeah, you're extending either too much or not at all using the matra. Something where there are places. Yeah.
I'm struggling over there. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it is just a practice, like more number of times. I know one of the reasons why, like when I learned earlier, what people suggested was you might have heard this one quite a number of times over audio. You keep hearing to that one. Now you wanted to learn that. Now the impact of that listening is now going to be there on you. So you thought that okay, that is how it was, and then you try to apply that here. So because you have not learned it through the Gurumukha earlier, now it will have impact on when you are learning it. So matra sometimes slipping that would happen because you have been hearing through audio and then heard it that way.
Right.
So that is also a possibility.
Yeah. Good point.
Thank you.
So you need to unlearn yourself and then start it as a fresh thing.
So, Pravinaji, you want to give it a try? Just do the first mantra, try. Hiranyavarna.
Okay. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Ma Avaha.
Okay, continue.
Tam avaha jata vedo lakshmi manapagaminim yasyam hiranyam vindeyam gamashvam purushanaham ashvapurvam rathamadhyam hastinada
Hastinada, like that will come.
Hastinada Prabhodinim Shriyam
Prabodhinim.
प्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रियं देवीमुप I'm lost in that word.
Yeah, that's fine. You
श्रियं देवीमुप
Mupahvaye.
मुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीर्जुषतां कांसोत्स्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारा मार्द्राज्वलं तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णां तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्.
I think you got the feel for it, the swaras. Yeah, there are a few places where the syllables were not pronounced correctly. I think the swaras were mostly you are getting it right here.
Okay.
So you need to listen again and practice. So we'll see the new ones how it goes. Yeah. Okay. Chandram prabhasaं yashasa jvalantin shriyalloke devajushtamudaram. Chandram prabhasaं yashasa jvalantin shriyalloke devajushtamudaram. Chandram prabhasaं yashasa instead of saying prabhasam yashasa. Okay. Chandram prabhasaं yashasa jvalantin shriyalloke devajushta mudaram. Right. Hindi word, right?
Chandram prabhasa yasasa jvalantim sriyam loke deva justa mutaram. Chandram prabhasa yasasa jvalantim sriyam loke deva justa mutaram.
Instead of Shriyam Loke, Shriyal Loke.
Okay.
Usually when the la is there, it will take Shriyal Loke, just like Hiranmai Lakshmi, like that.
Oh,
Shriyal.
one more time.
Will increase loud. Will.
Chandram prabhasa yasasa jvalanti sriyalloke deva justa mudaram.
Devajushta mudaram. Devajushta mudaram.
Devajusta mudaram. Devajusta mudaram. Chandram prabhasa yasasa jvalantin sriyan loke devajusta mudaram.
Da is going down, right? Yeah. Krishnan, right?
Chandram prabhasam yashasa jvalanti shriyam
Jvalantim, team only.
Okay. Chandram prabhasam yashasa jvalanti sriyam loke devajushta mudaram. Chandram prabhasam yashasa
Chandra prabhasai Yashasa.
And Yashasa Sa has Anudata, right? Yashasa
Yeah, right.
Chandram Prabhasai Yashasa Jwalanti Shriyang Loke Devajushta Mudaram.
So you did it slow just to get the swaras?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah. Ashish, correct.
Thanks, Christian Uncle, for clearing all my doubts. I was struggling with a couple of those. Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantim shiyalloke devajushta mudaram. Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantim shiyalloke devajushta mudaram.
Sunita.
Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantin shriyalloke devajusta mudaram. Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantin shriyalloke devajusta mudaram.
Deva just, you are saying justa. It is jushta. Shanmukasha. Jushta.
Devajusta mudaram.
Yeah. Say, do it once more.
Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantin. Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantin. Shriyalloke devajushta mudaram.
Yeah. Shanti is correct.
Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantim Shriyalloke devajushtamudaram. Chandram prabhasai yashasa jwalantim Shriyalloke
Devajushta mudaram.
Devajushtamudaram.
Devaju.
Devajushtamudaram.
Devajushtamudaram.
Devajushtamudaram. Mudaram.
Devajushtamudaram.
Devajushtamudaram.
You are saying Devajushta correctly? When you go to Mudaram, it is again sounding same. Devajushta mudaram.
Devajushta mudaram.
Shta, a Jew is up, and then shta mu same. Devajushta. Devajushta mu.
Devajushtamudaram.
Right.
Devajushtamudaram. Something like that.
Yeah, something like that, but you will get it. Right. Shiva, right.
Chandram prabhasaya yashasa jwalantim shriyalloke devajusta mudaram. चन्द्रां प्रभासाय यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियल्लोके देवजुष्टामुदाराम् चन्द्रां प्रभासाय यशसा ज्वलन्तीं प्रभासाय यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियल्लोके देवजुष्टामुदाराम्
If you are at one places, if you are not extending the dirgha too much, don't extend at other place also. It has to be uniform. Using loke, too much of extension is happening there. Devajushta, like that. So there are places where extending too much. It has to be uniform. So if you're too slow, you're fine. But then the group chanting, if the lead chanter is chanting in a certain way, you are saying you are already in loke. He has already gone to mudaram, but you are there in loke because you're taking more time there. Right? So it has to be in sync.
So the Jwalantim, that is N or before
Jwalantim, only Shri, because there is a
Shri. Okay. So sure.
Because it is none of the, it doesn't fall in any of the nasal consonant.
Okay.
Right? Only when there is a ya, like we said, prabhasai. When there is a ya, it's a different. Even though ya is not one of the nasal consonants, prabhasai yashasa, because ya va has those again special sounds.
ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోవాలి దీర్ఘాల దగ్గర నాకు ట్రై చేస్తున్నా నాకు అసలు అవ్వట్లేదు ఏమైనా నెక్స్ట్ లాగ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను నెక్స్ట్
at the end of the sentence, if it is a rasva also, you can extend a bit. Dirgha, you extend a little bit, but in between the sentence, don't extend it too much. Loke, you're saying.
Okay.
Because it's in between, you don't have to extend that much. Because you're going to, again, as I said, that matra, plutha, that will be plutha, too much. Hey Rama! Only when you call somebody, you do that. Okay. Try practicing that. Praveenaji, you want to try? Everybody tried except Praveenaji, right? Yeah.
Chandram prabhasa yashasa jwalantim shriyalloke devajushtamudaram
Devajushtamudaram.
Devajushtamudaram. Devajushtamudaram. Chandram prabhasa yashasa jwalantim shriyalloke devajushtamudaram. Chandram prabhasa yashasa jwalantim shriyalloke devajushtamudaram.
Close. Almost. I think you're getting it. Okay. Tam padminimim sharanamaham prapadye lakshmir me nashyatam tvam vrune. Tam padminimim sharanamaham prapadye lakshmir me nashyatam tvam vrune. Nashyatan Na will come. Nashyatan, nashyatan, twan. Na will come. Twan vrine. Tam padminimim sharanamaham prapadye lakshmir me nashyatan tvam vrine.
Chandra garu.
Ah.
Nashyatan tvam.
Yeah, nashyatan na will come.
Na will
And
come.
tvam vrine only.
Ma
Tvam
will come.
vrine. Tvam only. Vrine. Because after tha, after anuswara, tha is there. Nashyatam ta is there. Ta the na. So after that, and that on vam anuswara followed by v. So just tvam. Who wants to do FTR?
One question.
Ashif.
So
Indivar, you have a question?
this Prapajye, after that, either you need to give 3 matras there or you need to pronounce Alakshmi, right? Otherwise,
No.
it becomes Lakshmi.
Don't pronounce Alakshmi. That Prapadye, after that Avagraha is there, that S, right? Avagraha.
Yeah. So for that, we don't have to exclusively say A here. Otherwise, it
No.
becomes Lakshmi Irme Nashita.
Many people, I think some people say that, but it's not
Yeah.
required.
I heard about it.
Because that is included in that. You don't have to say it 2 times. And don't worry, he will take care. Some people are worried. Oh, Alakshmi.
I don't want him to misunderstand my intentions.
So they will make sure only Alakshmi Nashyatam. So Prapadye, this is Vedic. Avagraha is there. So, right? So Lakshmir me Nashyatam.
But that avagraha, what is it called again? Apagraha?
Avagraha.
Avagraha. That avagraha is to replace a, right?
Correct.
But it is inbuilt into that one. It is not exclusively.
Yeah. Avagraha is also a sandhi. So instead of saying Alakshmi, that avagraha will take care of that.
Okay. You want me to try?
Yeah, try.
Tam Padminimim Saranamaham
Loud.
Tam Padminimim Saranamaham Prapadye Lakshmir me Nashyatam Tvam Vrune. Tam Padminimim Saranamaham Prapadye Lakshmir me Nashyatam Tvam Vrune.
Ashish, try.
Tam padminimim sharanamaham prapadye lakshmir me nashyatam tvam vrine. Tam padminimim sharanamaham prapadye lakshmir me nashyatam tvam vrine.
After Nashyatam, na should come. Nashyatan.
Nashyat na.
Na. After Tvam, Vrune can come. After Nashyatan, Nashyatan, Tvam.
Nashyatan. Okay.
And the Lakshmir mem is a main. Is it in?
Where was
May, what is this, Swarita? Yeah. What is the question?
The question is that the next one is na, so you say Lakshmir main.
There is no Anuswara there on May. So Lakshmir May only. There is no Anuswara there. There is no Anuswara there. No Anuswara.
May. Okay, there is no dot there. Okay.
There is no dot, yeah.
Lakshmir me nashyatan.
Tvam Vrune.
Okay. Vrune. Okay.
Sunita ji, try.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
Krishnan.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
Try again.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
Shanti, try.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे तां
First time was correct.
So I'll leave it like that. No. Leave it.
No, try it.
Try it. I will mess it up now. तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
Close. Shiva.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
Yeah, you did good, but you don't want to take a gap after May. Too much of a pause, not required. But that was right. Mostly right.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
Yes. Ravinaji, right.
तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे
I thought you got the swaras right, but then since we are learning, it's better to, whenever there is a swaritam, you can be more emphatic, emphasize it a bit. But the swaras were correct.
I did not get so when swaritam is there, I have to make sure I do it right. Pittagaru, that's what
you were doing it correct only. But I'm saying when there is a swarita is there, you can emphasize it a bit.
Okay.
Tam padminimim sharanamaham prapadye. So you did good. Prapadye
Lakshmi me.
So that it will sink into your mind. So when we are chanting it by memory, it is easy to recollect.
Okay.
Okay. So Mother Goddess Lakshmi Devi, that Shakti, shines brilliantly like the moon, Chandram Prabhasam Yashasa, Jvalantim, right? Shining brilliantly, Jvalantim, Shriyal Loke, even the gods, Udaram, they seek her. Devajushtam Udaram. Padmini. Padmini, right? Sitting in the lotus. Eem. There are two words there, Padmini and Eem. If you split it, Padmini Meem, Padmini Eem. Eem is the Bijakshara. Bijakshara we say, right? Eem. Right. Sharanamaham Prapadye Alakshmi Nashyata. So remove that Alakshmi from our lives. We take refuge. Sharanam Aham Prapadye. So here Lakshmi Devi, Chandra, Padma, Hiranyam, they all come a lot. Right? Hiranyam, gold. It means shining. Also means knowledge. Right? Hiranyam, knowledge. So we need wisdom, of course. That's why sannyasis go by Saraswati. Chinmayananda Saraswati. Shivananda Saraswati. Right? We grihasthas, Shriman, Shri, Shrimati, Shriman. Ultimately, we need that Saraswati, of course. Ajnanam. Okay. And it is also Lakshmi Devi associated with Chandra. Always the Chandra word comes a lot, right? Because the nutritional energy for the plants come from the moon only, right? Right. Because that is a Shakti. You remember in 15th chapter, Gama Vishyacha Bhutani. You remember Dharayam Yaham Mojasa Ushnami Chaushadi Sarvaha Somo Bhutva Rasatma. Soma means here moon. Somo Bhutva Rasam. That nutritional energy is coming from the moon. So she is in the form of the moon, the Shakti. Okay. Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrikshotha bilvaha. Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrikshotha bilvaha. Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrikshotha bilvaha.
Is that right?
Try.
Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrikshotha bilvaha. Adityavarne vrikshotha bilvaha. Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrikshotha bilvaha. Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava vrikshotha bilvaha.
And whenever there are this samyukta vyanjanam, like Aditya, ta and the ya, right? And then spa, vanaspa, sa and a pa. Whenever there is a samyukta vyanjana, a conjunct consonant, take your time there. Adityavarne, that will give more vibration to the chant. Ta, adit. You hold your tha there before you go to ya. Adityavarne tapasodhijato vanaspatistava sthaya. Vanaspatistha stava. Right? Vriksho. Again, there is vrikshota. hold the ka, ik, that ka there before you go to sh. Vrukshota. Right? So that little bit of a finish and a vibration will come from that. You're holding that a bit before you pronounce the next akshar. Okay, try it.
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः.
But when you are saying vanaspatistava, there you did a little bit of hesitation is there before you went to vrukshota. Okay. Because you were emphasizing on the conjunct consonants, I think, because of that. Okay. Ashish, right?
Yeah, I'll do a little bit of
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः.
Sunita is right.
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः.
You rushed in vanaspatistava. You are rushing there. Take it.
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ.
Vanaspatistava. Those are the vanaspatistava. Right?
वनस्पतिस्तव.
Vanaspatistava.
वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ.
You're rushing there, I think. There. Vanaspatistava.
वनस्पतिस्तव.
Right.
वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः.
Yeah. Vanaspatistava again. We'll just work on it. You're rushing a little bit. Okay. Krishna did?
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः.
Shanti.
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः बिल्वः.
Shiva.
आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽथ बिल्वः.
So tapasaha adijataha. Tapaso avagraha is there. It is tapasaha adijataha. And then vrukshota, another avagraha. Vruksha atha bilvaha. So the bilva, the bale tree also is come out. The bale tree is called Vanaspati, the king of the Vana. Pati means Vanas, the king of the forest. the Bilva Vriksham. Even Shiva likes it. It has come out of the tapas of the Lakshmi Devi, they say. Vanaspati, the king of the forest, Vanaspati. Which one? The Bilva Vriksham. Tapasaha Adijataha. It has come out of the tapas of Lakshmi Devi. Aditya Varni. Okay. Ravinaji tried.
Aditya Varne Tapasodhija.
Aditya Varne.
Aditya Varne Tapasodhija.
Aditya Varne.
Aditya Varne. Aditya Varne Tapasodhijato Vanaspatistava Vrikshotha Bilvaha. Aditya Varne Tapasodhijato Vanaspatistava Vrikshotha Bilvaha.
This Aditya Varne. Aditya Varne. Aditya. So whenever there are two anudattas successfully going down at 3, the last one should be still lower. Usually that is a convention. Adi. But just for emphasis I am saying. So it has to successfully go down.
Aditya Varne. Aditya Varne.
Yeah. Aditya Varne Tapasodhijato Vanaspatistava Vrikshota Bilvaha. Tasya Phalani Tapasanudantu Mayantarayascha Bahya Alakshmi. Tasya Phalani Tapasanudantu Mayantarayascha Bahya Alakshmi. Tasya Phalani Tapasanudantu Mayantarayascha Bahya Alakshmi. Who wants to? Ashish, right?
Can I?
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi. Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi.
Mayantarayascha versus that is
Mayantarayascha.
That emphasis has to there because the Swarita at the end of the word and there is a conjunct consonant. Mayantarayascha Bahya Alakshmi. Lakshmi.
Mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Hindi word, right?
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi. Tasya phalani tapasanudantu.
Hindi word. You're rushing like a super expressly. I don't know if it's audio or you.
Yeah, I think it is audio. Because even I am seeing lag between what your lips versus what I'm hearing.
Okay.
There is some audio. Let me join back, please.
Okay. Krishnan, right?
So I have a question. Under that, above that la, there is Dirgha Swarita.
Change it to Swarita.
Okay.
Change it to Swarita. No Dirgha Swarita. That is another version, but we are using only Swarita.
Okay. तस्य फलानि तपसा नुदन्तु मायान्तरायाश्च बाह्या अलक्ष्मीः तस्य फलानि तपसा नुदन्तु मायान्तरायाश्च बाह्या अलक्ष्मीः
Nu Swarita. Yeah. Tapasa nudantu. Swarita is there, right?
Yeah, it is. Okay. Tasya phalani tapasa nudantu. Like that?
Yeah. Nu is up. Yeah.
One more time, I'll try. Tasya phalani tapasa nudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi.
Sunita.
तस्य तस्य फलानि तपसानुदन्तु मायान्तरायाश्च बाह्या अलक्ष्मीः तस्य फलानि तपसानुदन्तु मायान्तरायाश्च बाह्या अलक्ष्मीः
Indivar, you want to try? Indivar, you have to unmute. Unmute.
How about now?
There is some static.
It is unmuted. It is unmuted. You
Some
can hear me?
static. I think you have to mute the other one. You have two connections, right?
Yeah.
You can't hear. Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you can hear you. Right.
Okay. I tried all permutation combinations.
Yeah.
So it is tasya phalani, right? Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi. Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi.
Mayantarayascha.
Mayantarayascha bahya alakshmihi.
Shantili.
Tasya phalani Tasya is down?
Yeah, down. Anudatta. Ansya.
Tasya phalani tapasa.
No, tasya is not there. I am just for emphasis at tasya. Tasya phalani.
Tasya phalani tapasa nudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmi. Tasya phalani tapasa nudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmi.
Yeah, the swaras were correct, but you added a little bit of a ragam. Tapasa no. I think you added that bhajan style thing. No, that's fine.
Okay.
No should go up. Okay, Shiva, right?
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu maya.
Nudantu. Nudantu, you're saying. Don't do that.
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayasya bahya alakshmihi. Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayasya.
Nudantu. Nudantu, don't say.
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu maya.
Again, no, same thing. You're saying, repeating the same. Nudantu, you're saying.
So, two dagra matra istanu.
You should not extend it too much.
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayasya bahya alakshmihi.
And then after Nudantu, you don't have to give a pause. That's why you're extending too much. Go to that ma without a pause. Try it. Praveen, try it.
Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmi. Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmi.
Mayantarayascha, take your time. Rayascha, yascha, that extension. Because cha, cha, and then Swarita is there. Don't rush there.
Mayantarayascha. Tasya phalani tapasanudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmi.
Right. So may its tasya phalani, may its fruits, that bale, because they have come out of tapas. May it also inspire tapas in us. Nudantu, may it destroy alakshmi, all the bad propensities, all the bad value system, the negative value systems in us. Alakshmi. Bahya. So within and out. Antara, cha and bahya. May it nudantu, remove, destroy. Antara and bahya shatrus. Shatrus means alakshmi is the bad value, is a negative propensities here.
The tapas and tapas.
Tapasa.
Who is doing the tapas? We can say tapasvi, right? So
Tapasvi.
or tapasvi. So both are same. Tapas and
tapasa nudanta. Tapas is the austerity, or tapasvi is the one who does it, one who has the tapas in him. Tapasvi.
So tapasu ante we need to tapasvi what he is doing, right? How it is meaning to the bilvatry. Both are both are same. Both are words are same words. Now
Both
here
means
tapas means tapas means you said which is like a huge scaled bilvatry, right?
Tapas means penance. So Lakshmi Devi's penance produced that bale tree. Tapasaha, from her penance. Tapasa, by that penance. Tapasa means by that penance. Maybe also be inspired. Tapasa. And also Nudantu, may we get inspired and destroy our inner and outer bad propensities. Alakshmi means the evil, negative tendencies in us. Okay. Upai tasya palani tapasa nudantu mayantarayascha bahya alakshmi. Upaitu deva sakah kirtischa manina saha. उपैतुमान् देवसखः कीर्तिश्च मणिना सह उपैतुमान् देवसखः कीर्तिश्च मणिना सह मणिना सह. That is a small line, so we'll do the next one also. Pradhurbhutosmi rashtrasmin कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे. Pradhurbhutosmi rashtrasmin कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे. उपैतुमान् देवसखः कीर्तिश्च मणिना सह प्रादुर्भूतोऽस्मि राष्ट्रेऽस्मिन् कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे. Is it okay? Try both. Hey, Ashish, try.
उपैतुमां देवसखः कीर्तिश्च मणिना सह
कीर्तिश्च
कीर्तिश्च
and upaytuman devasakh na should come ma because mam anuswara followed by de the na. Upaytuman devasakah sakah a visarga followed by kir, right? So that sakah jiffa muliya it has to come. Jiffa muliya it is called. Devasakah kirtischa.
Okay. Upaytuman devasakah kirtischa manina saha pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin.
Bhutosmi. Pradhurbhutosmi.
Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे.
कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे. Because dim anuswara dim and dha followed by dha, so na should come.
Na, okay. Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे. Should I do it from the beginning?
Yeah, do the two lines.
Those two, yeah. Upaytuman devasakah kirtischa manina saha.
Kirtischa. Those are the words. Kirtischa.
Yeah.
Kirti, fame.
Yeah.
The cha means and. Kirtischa. Kirti and manina saha. Mani means chintamani. The gemstone.
Yeah. Okay. On the kirtischa. Upaytuman devasakah kirtischa manina saha pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin कीर्तिमृद्धिं ददातु मे.
Yeah. India, right?
Upaytuman devasakah kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirtimruddhim dadatu me. Upaytuman devasakah kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirtimruddhim dadatu me.
Any corrections? It was correct, right? Ashish, did you find anything wrong?
He didn't listen. He's
He
not even
didn't
listening to me.
I am listening.
It was fast. That's fine. That is his style, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think it was good.
Yeah.
I can reduce speed a little bit.
I think should further go. Da to me. Da to me. Maybe that was a little bit not clear there.
Kirtimruddhin dadatu me. Okay. Should I say one more time?
Yeah, try.
Upaitu man deva sakah kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Krishnan, right?
Upaintu man deva sakha kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Two going up. Dadatu me.
Upaintu man deva sakha kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Again. Kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Kirtimruddhin dadatu me. Okay, I'll try. Upaitu man deva sakha kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Yeah. Sunita, you tried.
Upaitu man deva sakah kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me. Upaitu man deva sakah kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Ashish, what are the corrections? Ashish is the official corrector.
Wait. When did I get stuck with this?
What are the corrections?
Just
See,
now.
you have to focus, Ashish. You are looking at your phone.
I'm not looking.
Oh, is he on the phone?
No, I'm not on my phone.
Well, that's what moms do, okay? So
Well, yeah, I've been learning that for 28 years.
That way you should be in the same class as your mom. Huh? That's one lesson you have learned.
I knew this was trouble before I started.
So, you didn't hear? Sunita ji?
Shall I repeat, Ashish?
Repeat.
Okay. Okay.
Upaitu man deva sakah kirtischa manina saha pradurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
So Devasaka Upaitu man devasaka. So de is
Parida.
Svarita. Thank you. De Svarita and sa is Anudata. So
And Upaitu.
devasaka.
Yes.
And Kirtischa. So there's two anudatas in that word. Manina saha. I think the rest of it was good though.
Yeah. Try it again once.
Me, Chandrasekhar.
Try once.
Upaitu man devasakha kirtischa manina saha.
Mande vasakha.
Yeah.
De up. Upaitu mande vasakha.
Upaitu man devasakha. Upaitu man devasakha.
Yep.
Kirtischa manina saha.
There's just two anudatas in that. Kirtischa. You did kirtischa. So make sure to come back up.
Kirtischa manina saha.
Manina saha. Yep.
Pradhurbhutoshmi rashtre.
Pradhurbhutosmi.
Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me. I need more practice.
Okay. Who else try? Shanti, you try.
Do I get to correct her too when she's done, or do you have to?
Be patient.
Last night I practiced 1 hour and I went to him. He said 2 lines he heard and he said, "No, this is not good. Go back."
Oh, really?
Okay, all right. We're paraphrasing here. That's not what I said. I just said you have to listen to the recording more.
Recording more and get that. That's it. Okay. Upaitu man devasaka kirtischa manina saha. Upaitu man devasaka kirtischa manina saha. Pradhurbhutosmi rastreshmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
Sunita ji, what were the corrections?
I didn't hear Chandra. I was practicing. Sorry.
Okay, I'll read it. I'll do it again, Sunita ji. Upaitu man devasaka kirtischa manina saha. Pradhurbhutosmi rastresmin kirtimruddhin dadatu me.
It looks good for me.
Who wants to correct? The chance to find faults.
Your exams I'll be a right person to practice exams.
Pradhurbhutoshmi, I think you are saying shmi, smi.
Smi.
And of course, swaras were a little bit off here and there.
Yes.
Manina, manina, ana, na. So that nas you should not mix. Manina, I heard. Manina, ana. One is murtanya, other is the
na.
na.
Manina Saha.
Saha means together. Kirti and Mani, that Chinta Mani, which gives all the desires. We are asking Lakshmi Devi to give, right? Which fulfills all our desires. And Rashtrasmin, I am born in this Rashtra, in this state, in this country. So, Pradhurbhutosmi, I am born here. So, let me earn fame in this country. Kirti, Riddhi, wealth. Kirtim, Riddhim, give me, dadatu me. So, for the welfare of the entire Rashtram also we are asking. Not just for selfish reasons, right? Wealth to be used for dharmic purposes. To purify myself, okay? And then, yeah, any questions?
I was going to say, what's the meaning of the first word, Upaitu?
Devasakha means the friend of the Devas, who is Kubera. So we want, let him come to us, Upaitu. Upa means nearing. Upaitu. Could be friend of Devatas, could be the Ishvara also, but here you can say Kubera, because we are asking Lakshmi Devi, right? Let him come to us and stay with us. Upaitu.
So based on the context, it will change it. Like Devasaka can be Ishvara or Kubera.
Correct.
I hope she'll understand what we are intending.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course, it's another Shakti of Parameshwara only, right? So that Shakti is always with Parameshwara. That's why in Vishnu's heart, that Srivatsankam, even though it is all the Shakti is called Maya Shakti, Shakti is always with Parameshwara. Like my speaking power is with me, is not separate. So we're in a way, it is with Parameshwara only we are asking. Another Shakti of Parameshwara. My power to speak is not separate from me. So it is Parameshwara Shakti. All these Lakshmi Devi, Parvati Devi, right? Saraswati Devi, the Shaktis. Okay. Who else? Shiva. Yeah, we are 12:04. Okay, we'll do this and stop. 2 more minutes. Yeah.
Upaitu mandheva sakah irtischa manina saha pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirti muddhim dadatu me. Upaitu mandheva sakah irtischa manina saha Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirti muddhim dadatu me.
Ashish.
I think the Devasaka as well, the same thing. So Devasaka. So the Swarita and Anudata. And then Pradhurbhutosmi. There's 3 straight Anudatas.
Right.
And then at the end there's a Swarita. Pradhurbhutosmi. And then Rashtresmin. Well, there's only one.
Yeah, only Anudatta under Rashtre.
Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirtim riddhim dadatu me. Yeah, so those Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin.
Yeah. Try once again. Shiva.
Yeah.
Shiva, just one more thing. When you're that mom, right? Upai to mom. So tu is down, but ma is again back. You are saying Upai to mom, but it is Upai to mom. That just make that one small attempt.
उपैतु मां देवसखः कीर्तिश्च मणिना सह प्रादुर्भूतोऽस्मि राष्ट्रेऽस्मिन् कीर्तिमुद्धिं ददातु मे.
Again, that Rashtresmin, because it has to be uniform with the earlier ones that you did, right? So there are certain places where you're extending too long, like that. And then Upaituman na should come. Upaituman devasakha. Okay? Practice that. Okay. Pravina ji did? Pravina ji, the last one, right? We'll stop it after. Yeah.
Upaitu man devasakha kirtischa manina saha pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirtimriddin dadatu me. Upaitu.
Before she goes the second time, any corrections? Pravina,
I think Pravina, you find this tune and then you kind of carry it through the whole thing. But it's hard. I mean, I know what that feels like, because sometimes you get used to like this one pattern of Anudatta, then regular, and then Swarita, and then you kind of go back to Anudatta and you carry that through. But you just need to be careful. Like, there's lines everywhere, whether it's a Anudatta or Swarita. Just make sure to just, if it helps.
Pradhurbhutosmi. There, you try. Again, you try.
Yeah, because that's 3 straight Anudattas, but I think you went up and then came back down. So
all of them should be down.
Yeah, it's 3. So Pradhurbhutosmi. So the first 3 should be Pradhurbhutosmi. Yeah.
And then to is no svara. So you have to tos. And then smi is swarita.
Shall I try from the beginning again?
Yeah, upaitu.
Okay. Upaitu man devasakha kirtischa manina saha pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirti mriddin dadhatu me. Pradhurbhutosmi.
And then immediately go to Rashtra. Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin iti briddhin dadatu me.
Pradhurbhutosmi rashtresmin kirti mriddin dadatu me.
Practice. Keep listening to it. Yeah, from the first class, you did good actually. It's nice.
Wait, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
The Rashtresmin, is it Pradhurbhutosmi, Rashtresmin, or is it Rashtresmin? Is it up, down, and back up, or is it just
there is only one Anudatta. Rashtresmin.
Okay, so it's just all right.
Rashtre asmin. If you split it, so Rashtresmin.
Okay. Thank you.
And Pradhurbhutosmi is a reborn, right? Not a born, I think. It's a reborn. Saying if I reborn or if I born, both are same.
Anyway, we jivas will be born again and again, unless we gain jnanam. If we get stuck with only our desire fulfillment, we will be reborn.
Of course.
Here it is born. Anyway, we are reborn in a way. Okay. But yes. So from this is preparation for us, right? To
Yeah.
prepare for us for Jnanam. Okay. Praturbhutos means born. Any questions? Any more? Comments? Questions?
I thought we'll at least complete this one today.
Yeah, I think today we couldn't.
We went pretty slow today.
Yeah, pretty slow.
It's difficult. Complicated.
I think next class also we will not complete.
Yeah, looks like. Yeah.
We need 2 more classes. That's okay. Because we need to get it right. So
Thank you, Pitta Garu. Very detailed.
thank you. Hari Om. Oh. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayaah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Asato ma sadgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Next Thursday.
Thank you.
Practice.
Hari Om.
Yeah.
Sir.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om.